The picture you're seeing is captured by a Hubble Space Telescope. It's showing something called ARP 107, which is a special thing in space, with two giant galaxies that crashing into each other. Imagine it like a big collision in the vastness of space. In this collision scene, the bigger galaxy is on the left side of the image. This galaxy is a very lively and energetic one, and scientists call it a Seyfert galaxy. A Seyfert galaxy is like a powerhouse of energy in the space world. It has a very bright and active center, almost like the heart of the galaxy. Even though this heart of the galaxy is super bright, it doesn't hide the other parts of the galaxy. When we look at this picture, we can see the whole galaxy, and also we can see its spinning patterns, places where new stars are being born, and lanes of dust scattered around. So when we see on the right side of the image, there's a smaller galaxy. This smaller galaxy is connected to the bigger one through something that looks like a bridge. But this is a bridge made of dust and gas. It's like a dusty connection between the two galaxies. They are like galactic buddies in a cosmic dance. These two galaxies are located really far away from Earth, about 465 million light-years away. The special thing about ARP 107 is that it's part of a collection, called the Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies. This collection was made a long time ago, in 1966, by a scientist named Halton. He was curious about galaxies, and carefully looked at 338 galaxies of them, and making a list. Our picture also comes from this special list of galaxies. The Hubble Space Telescope was on a mission to capture images of these peculiar galaxies. It's like taking a photo of rare and extraordinary animals in the wild. Scientists wanted clear and detailed pictures of these unique galaxies. So, what are your thoughts about this? Tell us in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.